They're not requirements. It's not a mandate. It should be a family decision.
Knox County Schools starts back on Monday, and Superintendent Bob Thomas, along with the Knox County School Board and parents, are now sharing their thoughts on COVID guidance for the new year.
This happened at the Board of Education work session. The discussion focused more whether the county is legally authorized to issue a mask mandate.
Yeah, back in April, Superintendent Thomas announced masks would not be required in schools this fall, but some board members argued the plan is outdated since it was released several months ago. The school board's attorney says the board lost its power to issue a mask mandate when orders declaring a state of emergency in Tennessee expired. But board member Jennifer Owens says actions against COVID-19 should be taken sooner and finds the changing language about masks on KCS's website are concerning.
For our families who are trying to determine whether their medically fragile students can be in our schools this year, there is a large difference between recommended and allowed.
We did catch up with Superintendent Thomas after the meeting to ask some questions about COVID regulations in schools this fall. One of the biggest concerns with parents right now is rising COVID cases and if parents can switch from in-person learning to virtual learning once the school year begins. The superintendent says the deadline's passed for parents to make that decision. Now parents can make an appeal to the school board to move their child from one option to another. But Thomas says a lot of factors would be considered before an exception would be granted.
Well, with a lot of kids heading back to in-person learning this fall, a lot of parents are wondering if social distancing guidelines will be in place in classrooms and in hallways. Superintendent Thomas says there will be measures in place, but it will be hard to enforce with so many students coming back to school. To help, schools will provide classrooms with products like hand sanitizer to keep everyone safe.